Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the plastic, polypropylene, ABS, or PVC, because that dictates solvent tolerance. Once confirmed, test a corner with 91% isopropyl or a citrus remover and wait 5 minutes to check for swelling or whitening. Begin the removal now. Apply warm soapy water to soften surface grime, then use a low heat gun at arm's length to gently warm the paint. This loosens adhesion without melting the plastic. Make sure to keep movement steady and continuous to avoid overheating any. Once the paint has softened, apply a thin coat of a plastic-safe citrus-based remover. Do not flood the surface, and allow the indicated dwell time. Then, using a soft nylon brush, gently agitate the paint edge to lift flakes. Follow with a plastic scraper held flat to avoid gouging. You should wipe lifted residue frequently with a microfiber cloth soaked in isopropyl to prevent redeposition. If sections remain, repeat treatment rather than increasing solvent strength, and always retest on the hidden spot before escalation. You finish by rinsing the plastic with mild detergent and water to remove solvent traces, then dry thoroughly. If tiny residues or paint edges persist, use light 400-600 grit sanding to blend without cutting deep, then clean again and recoat only once fully dry. If the plastic shows softening or warping at any point, stop immediately. Rinse with water, let it cool flat, and switch to a gentler mechanical approach. Make sure to retest the gentler method on an inconspicuous area before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.